How to bold text on Facebook post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search texttrick.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now type your text which you want to add in your Facebook in bold. Then you'll find all the bold text at the bottom. Here you can simply press on copy. After you've pressed on copy, open Facebook. Then you can simply paste the text you copied earlier and it will be in bold. Press on done and you can post it at Facebook. And this is how to bold text on Facebook post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.